Welcome to the course on getting to know the Brunei Darussalam accounting standards for BDAS 19, Accounting for Aquaculture. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. Aquaculture operations occurs where the products from such operations are used mainly for food consumption. It does not deal with the following specialized aquaculture operations where the products are not intended for food consumption, such as pearl culture, hatcheries of fry, larvae or fingerlings, culture of aquarium fishes, and other organisms. Accounting for aquaculture is divided into two types of scenarios such as BDAS 19.1 Aquaculture Stock and BDAS 19.2 Treatment of Initial Investment Costs. To further understand each module, let's go through the samples given for each scenario. To record aquaculture stock under BDAS 19.1, let's assume the following scenario. ABC Aquaculture Company purchased a hatcheries of fry, larvae or fingerlings for the harvesting phase at $10,000. Accounting entries for recording this vendor bill transaction will be debit the aquaculture stock for $10,000 and credit the cash or bank for the same amount. A completed draft entry will look like this in Accounting Plus. Do note the bill ID for future reference. Next is to record treatment of initial investment costs under BDAS 19.2. Let's assume the following scenario. ABC Aquaculture Company acquisition costs of land and licenses and rights with construction of ponds and the cost of farm machinery at $100,000. It is important to note that the expenditures are to be capitalized as non-current assets in accordance with BDAS 3. From here, we can extract the following. The accounting entries for recording this vendor bill transaction will be debit the account for land and building with $50,000 and debit the account for plant and machinery with the same amount. Credit, on the other hand, will be cash or bank for $100,000. Now let's see how this entry is being drafted in Accounting Plus. Completed vendor bill transaction will look like this, where debit transaction is divided into two under accounts land and building, and secondly plant and machinery with $50,000 respectively. Do note the journal ID for future reference. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 19, Accounting for Aquaculture.